Hey. I am thirsty. Thirsty. I am thirsty. 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 Like water, water. Thirsty. Right? Maybe you're in a desert. Sun. Right? In a desert. So, I am thirsty. I drink some water. I am thirsty. So I drink some water. I am thirsty, so I drink some water. The box is burning, so get some water. I want to write, so I get some chalk. I want to write, so I get some chalk. I want to erase, so I get an eraser. I am erasing. I am erasing the board. This is board. Board. Okay? Whoops. I want to erase. This is erase the board. I want to erase the board, so I get an eraser. An eraser. An eraser. A pencil. A toothbrush. An elephant. See, A for like consonant. P, T, S, D, B, C, R, you know. An is for E, A, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. I want, so I get an eraser. If it starts with E, start, end. Start, end. Okay? Start. End. Start. End. I don't know. So, start, end, right? If the word the word starts, starts if the word starts with E, A, I, O, U, or Y, you say an. But if the word starts with any other letter, you use a pencil, a toothbrush, a pen, a piece of paper, a tie, a board, a piece of wood, a water bottle, a cell phone, All right. All right. Start. I start to throw, and then I finish the throw. I start to drink, and then I finish to drink. I start writing, and I finish the writing. So let's start, finish, or end. Finish and end. Same thing, same thing. Same. Same. I'll show you same. Okay. Same. Not same. Not same. This is same. This is not the same. Not the same. Which we also call different. Different. Same, different. That's close, close, or similar. Or close. All right. So start. I start to write. And I end. I start to write and I finish. I start to throw and I catch. I start drawing. I finish. I finish drawing. I draw the same thing here. These are the same. These two, 1, 2, are the same.